Smiles Mobile Remittance introduced the QR code deposit feature in April 2024. This update allows users to deposit funds by scanning a QR code at any 7-bank ATM. Press the upper left corner of the ATM screen. Select Scan QR Code. Scan the QR code displayed on the screen using the Smiles app and press Next. Input the Smiles company number on the ATM screen and press Confirm. Confirm the transaction. Put money into the box and press Confirm. The balance will be topped up instantly. This is how you can quickly deposit money to your Smiles account without a deposit card. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials and tips.